Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, Nvidia has quickly sent out a hotfix. So if you are one of those that have the driver that is creating problems with your gaming and performance issues, which are related, by the way, in the GPU voltages that aren't right according to Nvidia. Well, Nvidia has finally sent out a GeForce hotfix. So driver version 595.76 as released today, March 4th. And it is, of course, a game-ready driver fix for the 995.71. So if you had issues, if you rolled back and want to go forward to the latest driver, well, this hotfix is a manual download. All you have to do is go to the page. I'll share the page here. And you will just have to go to this page and click here and down left on the page for the GeForce hotfix. This is a driver for both Windows 10 and Windows 11, 64 bits. So this fixes the issues and hopefully will not create a new one for people that are using the GPUs. My gaming laptop has not been updated yet. I'm going to wait for the official next version before I do anything. I might install this one manually, but usually what I do, since everything works fine, I will probably wait for the next official driver instead. So apparently they finally fixed the problem. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and the link is in the description below.